Hello, welcome back to Video Wizard. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to end a project, essentially. I'm going to show you how to export your video, okay? So let's say this is my finished video that I have here, yeah? This guy running, got it from the internet, but that's my finished video, yeah? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to head up into File, see this big old drop down menu, all the way down to Export, then Media. Then it takes you to this page. You name your file in this area here. So let's name this man running, and your location as well. I already have mine in a location, but you want to click on it, essentially find where you want it to go. So let me go. I'll go through it again just to show you. Desktop, Video Wizard, and I have a finished video folder, and I just use it as that. Okay. Preset doesn't matter at the moment. Format, I always go with H.264. It's usually just the easiest one for me to do. And then you literally just click export down in the corner. Yep, so that's it. It's very simple, but I know what it's like. Sometimes the basics can seem really overwhelming at the start. Alright, thank you very much, people. Have a nice day.